Andrew Kirby has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube and he generated over $1 million before the age of 21. And this strategy, which I'm about to cover to you, had generated him over 1,400 members inside his school community in less than 30 days. And he calls this strategy overpowered. So let's get straight into it then. So the overpowered strategy. So the first thing is to make a social media post. So create a post offering free access to a resource inside your group. When someone comments with a specific keyword, example could be comment resource to get XYZ. An example could be like the hook could be how I generated $500,000 in the last 7 days. And then it says read the caption, and then in the caption it says blah 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 blah, and then at the end it says comment resource to learn the exact blueprint on how. And then when they comment the word resource, ManyChat sends out an automation. So we're going to talk more about ManyChat soon, but it sends out an entire automation where it sends the person a message, a direct message, and they click on the link. And then to join, they have to join the free school community, and then they get access to the resource. That's going to generate you so much traffic. So what we're doing is we're leveraging the algorithm, because when you ask people to comment, the algorithm pushes your post out to more and more people, which is going to make your free community literally blow up. I'm telling you, Andrew Kirby's tried it. So many people have tried it. Max Pearson as well. I've also tried it as well. Helping my free community blow up as well. And the third thing is DM commenters. So ManyChat sends out a direct message to every single person who comments on the post with a link to your school community. Now you can automate a DM sending through ManyChat, which is really, really powerful. Now, let's go over the implementing the strategy without an audience. So here's how you can implement the strategy without an audience. So reach out to friends. So contact 3 to 10 friends and ask them to either like, comment, retweet, or just do all of the posts as soon as it's released. Or retweet and just put on your story. And what this is going to do, it's going to give the post a huge boost to get it out to more people. All right. Another thing is to choose your platform. So try this on Facebook, Twitter, tweets, threads, or longs, Instagram posts, stories, and reels, and literally anywhere else that has comments and DMs. Literally, just try it on as many platforms as you can. And the third thing is to start small, because Kirby recommends you start posting only on one platform, and then you can repurpose that content onto different platforms. Now let's go over some pro tips for success. So the better you are at copywriting, the more viral the post is going to be. It's as simple as that. Tell people to comment a specific keyword. An example could be comment resource to get the guide. Here's what the caption would be like. Exciting news. I started a community for whoever I helped study for entrepreneurs looking to 10x their efficiency to achieve whatever the desired result is, to make 10x more revenue so they can double the revenue and get what the benefit is and get my exact blueprint on how I made $500,000 in the last 7 days without ads. Okay, and comment invite, and I'll send you the invite for free. It's as simple as that. And try this strategy and let me know how it goes, because it's easily gonna work for you, right? You got Andrew Kirby over 1,400 members in 30 days. It will easily generate you guys 100 members in 14 days. And it does work, right? I've seen so many big influencers do this. I've been seeing so many, even people with small followers, it's worked for them as well. It's also worked for me. When I first started out on Instagram, my first reel got like 2K views, and that was a ManyChat reel. And it got some members inside my free community. All right. So now let's go over how to utilize social media to actually grow your community. So choosing the right social media platform can be literally a game changer for your business. If you're not on social media, don't expect your business to grow. You have to be on social media. You have to be posting content if you want your business to grow. Now, it's a powerful idea and it holds a lot of truth, but there's a nuance involved. And here's how you can approach it strategically. So here's some effective social media platforms. So the first one is obviously Instagram and YouTube. And this is proven by Alex Amosi through all his data and analytics that Instagram and YouTube account for most of his lead generation and lead generation. So he's getting most of his leads from Instagram and YouTube, primarily YouTube and then Instagram. So those are the platforms I recommend you should double down on. This is what I'm doubling down on as well. So these platforms, they consistently deliver high engagement and they attract large audiences. Entrepreneurs like Alex Amosi highlight them as one of his top sources of traffic and leads, which I just stated. Now, Facebook, this is, even though it's less trendy in some circles, it still holds a strong position because its groups and targeted ads remain highly effective for building communities and generating leads, especially running Facebook ads. They're really, really helpful. Maybe in boosting a couple of reels like Facebook and Instagram, boosting some reels, maybe try and see how that goes. LinkedIn, this is a great option, especially if your target audience, includes professionals or entrepreneurs. It's a really, really good way of getting leads as well, LinkedIn. And then finally, Twitter. It can be a bit of a wild card because it doesn't work for everyone, right? But it's worth experimenting with. Automated tweets can help maintain presence on the platform, literally no effort at all. You can use something called Tweet Hunter, which can send DMs to people. I think reply to DMs. It's like a mini chat. It's a Tweet Hunter, so make sure you try that out. And yeah, Twitter's just pretty great. Get the blue tick. If you're not going on Twitter, get the blue tick as soon as possible because that's going to boost your presence a lot. Now let's go over some strategies for social media success. So the first thing is to experiment. Start by experimenting with 3 or 4 platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Start by experimenting in 3 to 4. And then I want you to analyze. So pay close attention to where your audience is most active. All right, for me, it's YouTube and Instagram and school. I'm just going to stick mostly with YouTube and school. My Instagram is being managed by other people, so I don't do much work on that. So analyze where your audience is mostly coming from, where your members are mostly coming from. And then I want you to focus. So once you have a clear understanding of where your audience is coming from, I want you to narrow your focus on the top 2 performers and direct all your energy towards them. So for my case, it's school, which is where my business is hosted, and also YouTube. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm making a YouTube video right now. And the fourth thing is to be consistent and efficient because consistency is vital, but efficiency literally matters just as much. Now let's go over content creation and repurposing because this is a really, really powerful one. So first one is start with long form content. Start with YouTube, top of the phone. Create in-depth YouTube videos to establish yourself as a trusted authority in this space. Okay, so start with long form content. Then what you can do with steps further is to break down into shorts. So create smaller clips for platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. So just break it down. The third thing is to expand your short form content. So alternatively, expand on popular short form topics to create longer videos based on your audience's demand. Yeah, and the fourth thing is to use AI tools. So utilize tools like ChatGPT to streamline the entire repurposing process, and then upload your video to generate a transcript, then transform it into an engaging content for various platforms. ChatGPT is really, really powerful. Make sure you guys are leveraging AI. Now let's go over the power of YouTube because YouTube is so powerful. I'm literally making a video for YouTube right now. Literally, this video is YouTube, so it just shows the power of YouTube. I'm making a video every single day. So YouTube stands out as particularly valuable platform because it just goes beyond just a content hub, right? It's a relationship building tool. So I'll show you how you can do that. So first thing is deep nurturing because only if 10 people watch your entire 2-hour video, you've deeply nurtured those 10 individuals. Deeply nurture them. Right. Second thing is trust and authority. Long form content fosters trust, authority, and deeper connections in ways that short form literally cannot. And the third thing is quality over quantity. Alex Mosley wisely points out that people who consume short videos often don't stick around for longer content. They probably don't. If you're thinking, I'm gonna post shorts on my long form channel because it's gonna be the top of the funnel, it's gonna drive traffic to my long form, and then those short form viewers are gonna watch my long form videos. Well, most likely people that are scrolling on shorts aren't the kind of people who you want watching your longs anyway, or they're not even people who are gonna watch longs anyway. So just keep that in mind. Now let's just go over some key takeaways from this video for social media growth. So the first thing is to focus on the right platforms because success is not about being present on every single platform, but being present on the right ones. Second thing is to test and optimize. So test different options and double down on what works for your audience. Right. Third thing is to repurpose intelligently. So repurpose your content intelligently to reach your audience effectively and efficiently. And the fourth and final thing is to deliver your message. Your message is what matters. So ensure it reaches the right people on the right places. So I hope you guys found a bit of value from this video, right? So it's key takeaways for success. If you guys want help with focusing on the right platforms, testing and optimizing with these 4 things which I covered, and also a bit more help with the ManyChat strategy, which I covered in the first couple of slides, join my free community down below in the description. It's going to be so valuable. You have all the resources to implement the ManyChat into place. You have all the resources to effectively build and grow your social media so you can start to drive traffic. And I'm having a very, very big offer running right now. So make sure you join that free school community right now.